Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the PIKA feature in PIKA 2.1. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to PIKA application. On the bottom right corner of the screen, click on PIKA Additions to access the feature. Then select and upload an image or video from your gallery. Click the diamond icon to generate your desired effect. And to fully access the PIKA additions in 2.1, you need to pay a plan. The PIKA 2.1 Pro subscription is cost $6.44 per week, and you must subscribe to the monthly plan to generate the PIKA addition. If you upgrade to PIKA 2.1 and try the PIKA addition, these are the sample templates you can create if you avail of it. Unlock more creative possibilities with PIKA 2.1 Pro. And that's how you use the PIKA addition. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!